right, so got all of our oil pan studs nice and clean in our block, ready to go. Oil pans nice and clean, ready to go. So you're gonna see the gasket and the pan going on here momentarily. All right, oil pan's on, looking nice, looking clean, perfecto. We're gonna let our silicone, which is only on the corners and the ends, set up. And then we're gonna get ready to paint this baby. All right, Jordan, she's Ford blue now. Need some light over here, but she's blue all the way around. All right, Jordan, pan's all on, and she is all one color. We are Ford blue, baby. We'll work on the valve cover tomorrow. I have to latch the valves too before we seal her up and prime it. Looking good. Hot damn. Look at that. Mmm, delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mmm. Freeze plugs tomorrow too.